Hi, today I want to give you a short review on this cool microphone set that I got on Amazon. Microphone is made by company Maono, model PM401. From the package we can read some specifications. It's working with Windows and Mac. On the back of the package we have specs of the microphone. And a graph. I'm not a really musician, so this really doesn't mean much after me, but some other people would probably like to see that. And that's how it's supposed to look after the assembly. So in a package, of course, you have instructions. We have some filters and foam filter for the microphone. And that's how it looks assembled. The base is made out of aluminum, so it's nice and solid, and you can feel that the arms have nice and firm tension. At the end you have a mounting for the microphone, and you can change the angle. You can unscrew this, of course, and make it tighter, same as this. Now at the base of the microphone you have a threaded insert which rotates freely, and here are like a rubber bands that give you tension if you want to move it in different directions. The bottom of the microphone right here, you can see the threads which go into these threads. Okay, and then there's a connector on the bottom. After the microphone is inserted, then you can rotate it in whichever direction you want. Okay, and that's where you install the filter that goes in front of the microphone. That's how it looks. Those are the ends of the cable that is included, which I think is about 8 feet long. And this is how it looks when everything's connected, and I've decided to run the cable through the mount to have a cleaner connection, and I'm gonna run it behind all my other cables. The microphone has on and off buttons, and you can also connect your headphones into it. And of course you can move your front filter in front of it. Okay, so now we are testing the microphone. Actually I'm talking through this microphone right now. I'm gonna be testing by, let's do it without the filter first. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and this is probably about, I don't know, like I'm like maybe 1.5 feet away from the microphone. Now let's test how sensitive it is to a rotation. So I'm gonna rotate it away from me. You can see the on and off buttons now. So now it's facing the opposite of me. And let's rotate it again, facing me. I'm gonna keep talking, and I'm gonna hear it in a few minutes to see the difference. And now I'm gonna start talking a little bit closer. 1 2 3 1 2 3, and let's do the same thing with the filter on. So let's put the filter in front of the microphone so you can hear 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I'm gonna watch the footage now and compare the sound, and I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it. Okay, so I've tested the microphone, and it looks like the best results in terms of the volume and the clear voice capturing is about maybe 3 inches from the microphone. So the whole setup is designed for people that want to do professional recordings, podcasts, YouTube videos, and what you want to do is to have perfectly quality of your sound coming from the microphone. So I can tell you, and you can hear, this is a really great sounding microphone. So I like the option of having this filter in front of the microphone or having additional foam filter on top of the microphone. The whole setup is really nice, and basically when you buy a microphone like that, all you want to do is to have a perfectly sounding microphone. So as you can see and you can hear, this microphone delivers. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.